Welcome back to another episode, Q-tubers. A lot of you been asking for a shop tour, and that's what you're gonna get today. So let's just jump right on into it, and I'll get you taken around this place. So as a lot of you know, you've been in here. We see all kinds of gadgets, lump, big lump, pellets, cans, more charcoal, accessories, more charcoal, and grill grates, all kinds of stuff. We got hasty bakes, we got Kamados, hasty bakes, we've got Primos, Primo accessories, all types of wood, mini splits, chunks, and right down over in here, we're gonna have 12-inch splits coming. But yeah, this is what the front looks like. Nothing special. We got our Traegers, a little bit more. Primos, Kamados, Traegers, stuff like that. A couple trophies, the ones we could find. So yeah, this is the front of the store. What do we got up here? We got some merch. We got some thermal works. Must have. All this. Love our Fat Guy Club stuff. Just stuff like this. Clips. Oh yeah, forgot. New cutting boards. We got mat. Screwing around. Butcher paper. So yeah, we got a little bit of everything in the store. We even got a West. But yeah, that's the front of the store. But what a lot of people come up here to see is actually where we film stuff. So let me show you. So yeah, this is it. This is where we film. Not much. Lights, sofa, TV, ice for the whiskey. This is my office in here. This is where I hang out. Not much going down in here, but you gotta have the hand. My boy Darren made this. If you can't tell, that's me on a smoker right now. We got my Jack Daniels lid and a lot of our older products, family, whatnots. Even got the infamous. Woo! That bottle right there is highly sought after. No one bought it when I had them. Yeah, this is video room. There's where Logan used to sit. Not much up here. Not much at all. This is where we pack all the orders. We got our spent.
That's right.
These are first batch orders going out today. Cutting boards too. This is where we store all the product. Right here. Got wood. That's my Traeger Timberline right there. Some pit barrels. These are all of our clean eating rubs right here. We're running low on them. We're running low on a lot of stuff. It's hard to get this stuff in. We're making it as fast as we can too. But that's okay. This is where we do all of our cooking back here. And we actually have another building right over here. I'll take and show you. So yeah, we got extra storage over here, extra charcoal, extra boxes. Even got these bad boys. Woo! Couple of them. So yeah, that's it. Not really much. A lot of people ask. It's not really, that cool. But hey, it kind of is what it kind of is. It's a great place to be. I love it. This beats my shop. And I actually think we're gonna probably be outgrowing this thing pretty quick, which is a good thing. So yeah, kind of my dream job. Been working on it a long time, but it's finally paying off. So let me know down in the comments below, what's your dream job? What would you do if you never had to work another day in your life? Hey man, I want to thank you guys. I love you. I appreciate you. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.